Hi everybody, I'm Will Koberg with the Jan Ritchie team of Keller Williams Realty, and I'm in front of our listing at 7013 Redstone Lane in Plano, Texas. Join me as we take a tour of this marvelous home. This 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home offers over 3,500 square feet of living space. This home sits on a quiet cul-de-sac in the popular Kings Ridge community. This neighborhood is a highly engaged community which was awarded the Best Neighborhoods Platinum distinction by the City of Plano in 2016. You're also just a short walk to the community common area boasting a walking path and pond with water feature. As you enter the home, you'll notice the bright, updated paint color throughout. To your right, you have French doors that lead you to a study with wonderful custom details including a stone fireplace and a wall of built-in shelves, desk, and storage cabinets. To your left is the formal dining room with a tray ceiling and a built-in wine cabinet. As you continue on into the home, you have this large family room which features a cast stone fireplace from the floor to the ceiling and lots of space for a TV and family to hang out and enjoy. This kitchen is truly the heart of this family home. It includes this large granite island, including breakfast bar with plenty of places for your family to sit. There are also stainless steel appliances, which include a double oven, built-in microwave, and there's plenty of counter space so you can move around and do what you need to do. Plus, walk on over to the bright breakfast nook, which provides additional informal dining and seating, as well as lovely views of the pool and patio. The master suite features bay windows, welcoming a great sitting area and a double tray ceiling. The impressive master bathroom has an eye-catching ceiling, a spacious separate shower, split vanities, and a large soaking tub. Upstairs, you'll find 2 additional bedrooms which share a Jack and Jill bathroom. Also, the media room can be converted into a 4th bedroom with abundant closet space and lots of privacy. There are also 2 separate game room areas. One has a built-in L-shaped wet bar area. The other has a built-in study nook and has access to a covered balcony which overlooks the magnificent pool. Outside is my favorite part of the home. You have a beautiful saltwater pool complete with 3 water features, a tanning deck, and you have this large travertine patio area which is great for entertaining or just hanging around enjoying the sun. I want to thank you again for joining us today here on this home tour of 7013 Redstone in Kings Ridge. If you want more information on open houses for this property or more details on any of our listings, you can check them all out at janritchie.com. I'm Will Koberg and we'll see you on the next home tour.